Hey.
How is she?
She's fine.
Yeah.
Just a few bruises.
Okay, good. And you? Look, I'm glad you asked for the truth. It means a lot to me you wanted to figure out how to make this work.
Yeah. I have to let Clay know.
Yeah.
What's going on? Is she okay?
Yeah. When she hit the barrier, she took a pretty good shot to the face. There's some swelling. I have to run a few more tests, but she's gonna be fine.
But, it's nothing serious?
No.
Can I see her?
It's gonna be a little while.
Okay, well, appreciate you taking care of it, Doc.
Oh, of course.
Something wrong?
Found that man we visited. He's throwing up 9 fingers. Brown's a little pissed at Black.
I made a decision. Good of the club.
You settled that shit on your own.
Yeah. Spur of the moment seemed like the right thing. Sure you can understand.
Feds raided Luann's studio. Asset seizure. Wiped her out.
Okay, me and Ope will go deal with Otto.
Hope goes with Tig. Take Bobby. Use the fresh air.
I'll handle it alone.